We are almost halfway through with our Advent preparation. And more than the usual singing and or praying, the words Halina Jesus, Halina, or expressing a joyful anticipation for the coming of Jesus, our readings today would like to invite us to this beautiful Advent lesson, the capacity to learn again. Ang matuto muli o ang maturuan muli. Tukso po o madalas, nagiging buhay na ang magmagaling. Kapag gagamit po ako ng Waze o ng maps, kung aalis po ako, bibigyan po tayo ni Waze ng daan at kasama na po doon ang ETA, ang ating expected time of arrival. Pero madalas po ang mayabang at nagmamagaling kong sarili ay magsasabi, si Waze, waste of time na naman. Sa ibang daan ako pinadadaan. May mas alam akong daan, kaya doon ako pupunta. Kaya ang nangyayari, iba ang nangyayari, pinupuntahan ko nga yung alam kong lugar, yun pala, mas traffic doon. At eventually, I'll come late to that appointment or to that event where I'll be going. Sa sobrang pagmamagaling. If there is one image of God that we wish to portray in our first reading, and how Saint John the Baptist and Jesus himself can be portrayed, they are like elders, teachers, telling us, or in case, ways, telling me, this is the way, this is how it should be. After doing this, ito ang resulta. Kung nagawa mo ito, ito ang bunga. Kung hindi mo ginawa ito, ito ang consequence. Pero nasabi ko nga po kanina, may mga pagkakataon na nagmamagaling tayo kahit sa Diyos. We pretend that we know better than God. And we suffer from pretending to be better than God. God has been giving us ways, plans, and directions. But we keep on telling ourselves, I know better than you. Na pag nilayan o niliwanagan na tayo ng Panginoon para makagawa ng paraan, paano makipagbati sa isang kapwa, paano makapagkumpisala, paano makagawa ng mabuti. But in the end, we will just say, I'll just do what I want. I'll just do what I know because I know better than you. Jesus and John the Baptist were not known or were set aside, were vindicated to be drunkards and gluttons because people ignored them and pretended to know better than them. As we are halfway through our Advent journey, and tonight we will begin our Misa de Aguinaldo, let us enlarge or maybe expand our hearts and even ourselves to have that capacity to learn again. Na huwag tayong magmatigas ng puso at magmagaling at matuto tayong maturuan muli. Because we might miss what God is wishing us to do and to where God is directing us. More than waiting, let us be sincere how we can learn again and be taught by God again.